Hi everyone, here we are at Home Goods. So we're gonna walk around and take a look what they're starting to bring out for the fall. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I thank you so much and I'm grateful for you from the bottom of my heart. Now, did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And if you full watch the video, this helps me to grow on YouTube. Now remember to click that like button and also comment below because I would love to hear from you. I'm going to go ahead and leave you to some music and I'll see you at the end. So I never seem to get enough of shopping in this store. Absolutely glam. Okay, so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.